Hi everybody, I am doing a unboxing today. It's more like an exchange, but nonetheless we're still doing an unboxing. Came in this huge bag, proof of purchase in here, and oh, I got something. I got a Louis Vuitton coffee table book. That's so cute. Love that. And it came in this box right here, and let's do the unboxing. I just took the ribbon off, but this is the huge box. But before I open this, I did want to mention that I am selling my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis East West in the bicolor in gold hardware and this dove gray with the cream. Brand new condition. I didn't really wear it much. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I've been transitioning into a bigger bag person, so this has not been getting any use at all. So if you're interested, send me a message on my Instagram and I will follow back up. This is she. Now to the unboxing. Huge box. Do you have any guesses? Here it is with the dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Lowkey Hobo PM in this gorgeous cognac color. And this is just more me than the black. I tried on the black, as you guys saw. I put my things inside of it in my previous unboxing, and it just was not screaming me. And I don't know, I just can't put words to it. Have you guys been noticing these tags that Louis Vuitton's been doing with their new bags? I don't know if I like it because it's not. Oh, here is the date code if you guys want to take a photo of that. This is a Trillion. Okay, that's not the English. Okay. The printed bull calf leather, printed cowhide, and bull calf leather. So that's what's the material. It does come with the pouch, and I just put this pouch in here. It's monogram canvas, and the inside is the same interior as the bag, and very similar everything. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. This is made in Spain. The stickers are still on. The inside says Louis Vuitton Paris with a D-ring. The interior is huge, as you can see, with this very gorgeous cowhide lining. 4 feet on the bottom with a little bit of reinforcement, gold hardware, and the long adjustable strap. How gorgeous is this bag? I love it so much. I'm more of a neutrals brown person anyway, and I'm gonna show you guys my other hobo so you guys can see the comparison. If you guys watched my previous unboxing of the black one of this, you'll see that I do have the MM size, which is this one, in the limestone color, still gold hardware. Gorgeous. I love it so much. If you're not into hobos or totes, which I've been more into recently, then you may not find the slouchiness of this appealing or even comfortable, but honestly, the comfort, if you've never tried it on, I suggest just go in store. It's hard to get, so you may not have as much variety to try it on, but on the shoulder, it's the most comfortable bag I've worn shoulder, and I have broad yet slouchy shoulders, and nothing really stays on comfortably besides these two bags, and I love it. And my Kellys, of course, but those straps are thinner. Anyways, I love the bags. I highly recommend them. If you could, this is sold out, since I've purchased it, the limestone color. So maybe put yourself on the wait list with your essay or even on the website if you're interested in this color. Nonetheless, this cognac color is gorgeous. The perfect neutral brown for summer, winter, whatever. Just an all-season bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. I will link all my Instagram down below and my social medias. Follow me, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Look at her, she's so cute. Bye.